So this is an editing tutorial video using InShot. So we're going to open our InShot here on our Android phone or any phone that you're using. We open the InShot amp. Then we go click on video. Then your videos which are stored on your internal phone storage, they will all appear there. Then you will scroll and look for whatever you want to use. So we are going to start with our intro. So we will start with an image for our intro. Scroll down, choose one, choose two, then we choose three, then we click on the tick, then it goes to our timeline here. So this is the image we chose for our intro. This is the second image we chose for our intro. Third image we chose for our intro. So we want this image to be the one which will start at the beginning of the video. So we come click it. There it is. It shows that it's now clicked. Then we long press. Then it brings us here to drag to swap. So we want to swap it to put it here at the first as the first clip. So you saw it now comes to the first clip. Then we play. So now we have that image as our first opening clip. Then we have this one as our second. We have this one as our third image. This is our intro opening sequence. So as you can see here, the InShot watermark is showing because we are on the free trial edition. So if we want to remove it, we have to click on the cross right here. There we go. Then we click on free remove. It will make you to watch an advert. Then after that, watching that advert, you are able to now use the InShot amp without that watermark showing there on your screen. Now it's gone, as you can see. It's gone, we no longer have it. So now we are going to shorten our image, our first image. We just drag it there, make it 2.5 seconds, play, short enough. Second one, we do the same, short, 2.5. Third one, we drag it also, can make this one 2.5 also, make it 2.1, it's fine. Then we'll come here on the T, which is for text. We click, then we click on the image where we want the text to come. There it is showing now. We click on text, we click on text again in green. Then it gives us a place where we can write what we want to write there. So now we're going to write the title. This one was about chicken feet. It's a cooking vlog. So we will come and write here chicken feet. So as you can see, it is bigger than the cooking with Liu, which is the name of the vlog. So we need to make it a bit smaller. So we'll click back so that the keyboard can go. Then we'll click this tick. Then we'll click on Back again. There we go. So we want to see it. Click on text, text, chicken, chicken feet. Okay, so chicken feet. Then we come and click on this. As you can see, there's a keyboard. There's a rainbow thing like which has colors, and there's an A, capital letter A and small letter A. Then if you click on that A, it gives you the different font which you would like to use. As you can see, it is changing as I click. So we'll keep it as the first one. Then if you click this color one, it will give you the different colors. As you can see, it's changing colors. We'll keep it at white. This one for keyboard is for where it brings back the keyboard so you can type, as you can see. Then the one next to the A is where you can change and make different changes to your font there. This one is for size, as you can see, big or small, so we'll make it a bit small. And this one is to stretch up and down. Leave it there. As you can see, left and right. Leave it like this. So that is the format section. Then you can also make it bold if you want, make it italic if you want, underline. Then you can also come here and add this if you want. So we will add this one. We'll just leave it as it is to make it neat. Then we click the tick which is on the right corner there. Then we'll come to the last one, which is this one. Is for effects. As you can see, different effects or motion which you like to apply to your title there. Then we'll select loop because we want to add these kinds of motion effects. Select this one, the jumping up and down, and we'll just now come click here. So you can click on it to drag it up and down. Play. There we go. So as you can see, it overlaps. So now we'll move it a little bit. Okay, move it a little bit. There we go. There we go. So now we're going to put in transitions, these white little things here in the middle of these clips. If you click on one there, it brings you to the transitions. And then we can select this one. There is previewing how it will make the transition. After selecting it and we're happy with it, we go to the tick. If we select this double tick on the left, it will make this transition apply to the entire timeline, meaning that all your clips will be using this single transition. So we will click on the single tick because we just want the transition to only apply to this clip. So we click on the single tick there. There we go. There's a transition. We do the same for the second one. We play it. There is a transition. So if we're happy now with our intro, we now add music to our intro. The intro needs to be short, you don't need to make it long because the video still needs to be watched. We'll go to my music, my internal music, then we select, look for music. Look for something which is much more high tempo. We say use, it will send that audio or music to the timeline. There it is on the top there in the purple color. We play to see how it goes. And happy with it, then come click on it, come up here, look for the split because we want to cut it where it ends. We click on split, there it cuts it, then we delete the other part which you don't need. Come here, click on it, the audio, we double click, fade out, just make it a little bit fade out so it doesn't finish on a high pitch. Then we come back, we play. If we are happy with it, we click the single tick there on the right. We'll go back to the timeline. We click on the text because I see it's overlapping, so we just a little bit. There we go, smooth transitions there. Now we are happy with it. We click the single tick. Brings us back to the timeline. Then after doing the intro, then we can come and add our video. Click on video there because it was on photos. Then we click on this one. Long press so we can see it first. Then we click on this scissor button there, the scissor there on the left, so we can cut it to the piece which we want. Then we click on it. We trim it here before we send it to the timeline to make things easier. Okay, with that we started here. Just want the first clip before they are cooked, the chicken feet. And we are happy with that. Then if we're happy with it, there's the scissor in gray. That means we have already trimmed it. So when we send it there to the timeline, it's already trimmed, makes it easier. Then we click on the blue tick. Then we come here, click on the white thing so we can make the transition there. So we choose this one, the fade to black one. So as you can see, our music ends on the last clip on the intro there. So we'll click on audio so we can continue and drag the music until the end of our clip there. Then we click the tick to go back to the timeline. So there we've added that new clip video there. That's where the video starts. So we play to see it goes. There we go, we are happy. Click on the plus sign to add another video. Continue with our edit. So now we show the ingredients which we're gonna add. So there I can see them. We trim it. Just need a bit of this, nothing long. Play it. There we go, we're happy with it. We send it, there it is. In green, 27 seconds. We click the tick in green there. Put in the transition there. Put in this one. There we go. Click the tick, go back to the timeline. We play. So the music cuts again where we ended, so we'll just drag the music. So we see this clip is a bit long, so just shorten it from here. Click on it, go look for split. We click on the previous one, we delete it, make it sure. And we go back to audio. So you can see the audio ends there, but the video is longer. So we just drag it. You can drag it further since we're still gonna add more. So we don't have to drag it so many times. Then we click on the tick, go back to the timeline, play and test. There we go, we're happy with it. We add the following video to continue with our sequence. Let's see. Cut it there. Start it from here. Get short. We're happy with it. Click tick. Select another one which we see there. Long press, and it brings you here so we can edit it before we send it to the timeline. So we trim it, moving it. We move this line here so we can start it where we want it to start. This is how we want it. So since this clip shows all the ingredients which we're gonna add in one shot, we are going to use this one. Add it there, and we are going to delete this one, the previous one. We don't need this one because there are no ingredients. We're going to use this one because it's got everything in one clip there. Because our video, we don't want it to be too long. We click on it. It will be like repeating the same shot there. So we delete. We click on the white thing, make the transition there. There we go. Click play. There we go, we're happy with it. Then we add a clip Now we can go to the process where we start cooking. Long press, it brings us here. Here we see we already started cooking. We trim it. So we trim it again. So it's cooking there. We're happy with that. We click the tick, we send it. We click, we send. There it is. We transition there. We play it just from here. We don't have to go to the beginning now. So now, because now we hear the whole sizzling and the water starting to boil, that whole cooking sound, we will want to tone down the music now so we can hear the cooking sound coming out from the pot there. So we'll come click here, double click on the sound. We fade it. So we have faded the last part of the song so that we can start and hear the boiling of the pot. So we can pick up those cooking sounds. There we go. So we'll click on this sound. We'll duplicate it. We've duplicated the sound and we move it a little bit forward. So just start again and we click on the sound. Come to volume. So this is the sound which will be playing when the food is cooking. So we'll lower it maybe to 50%. There we go, 50% volume for the sound, because we want to also hear the sound of the food cooking there, that sizzling sound. And we click the tick. So we come here, play. Drag it a bit back there. Don't want the song to start from the beginning. I want it to feel like it is continuing. There we go. We double click it. We fade it in so that it can start on a low volume. So if we double click on the song, it brings you here, and you can change the fade in and the fade out. And after that we play it. There we go. It should not take long, it will pick up just it. It's okay. There we go. Then we click on the tick, go back to the timeline. Now we can start editing the next video. The next video, click here, long press, look for something else now. Yes, something like this. We're steering the pot, come drag it to the point where we want it, which is here. We trim it to that specific point. That's what we want. And we click on the tick, we're happy with it. We send it to the timeline. Transitions there. We add. Then we play just from here, not from the beginning. There we go. We come and trim it. It's a bit long. Trim, that's it. Even this one, a bit long. And that's okay. So now we add the next clip. We check down here. So all these clips, you can see the timeline there down is saying 0:27:0. That's 27 seconds. So a clip is only 27 seconds long. But you can see the time we took to edit it is not 27 seconds. Because there's a lot of changes we are doing. And I'm just going a bit slow for the sake of the tutorial. But once you pick up the pace, you can go faster depending on the pace and the experience you have and how many times you've been doing it. It doesn't necessarily take this long. For the sake of the tutorial, we're just going to take it this long.